Hello everyone, and for today I will show you how you can make your desktop to look like 3D or something like that with this Rainmaker skin Android. So for today you will need to download the Rainmaker. So download the final or beta version of Rainmaker, install it, and of course run it. Then you can download this skin, and when you download it, just double click and click install. Okay, you will get only this on your desktop. Okay, you have time and date, CPU, RAM, upload and download speed, information about your disk C and disk D, and here you have some of the shortcuts. Okay, just like on the smartphone, but what you need to do now, you need to go to documents, Rainmaker, skins, Android, and here you'll find this really amazing wallpaper that is gonna make your desktop to look like 3D. Okay, and now you can put this skin right here, and this skin goes here, and time and date goes here, and that's it. Basically you have this amazing wallpaper and this skin that is showing that my desktop is like in 3D or something like that. It's really cool and really interesting, and it's very quick and simply to apply. So that's it. If you don't have a skin when you install the Android skin, just go here, Rainmaker, click on manage, and here we have a folder Android, and from here you can load every skin. Okay, our shortcuts are working, they are really fine. So that's it, how to make the desktop look like 3D version of something like that. So thank you for watching this, and see you next time. Bye.